Hey guys, Danny here, back with another video. Today we're reviewing some wireless headphones. These were sent to me for free for review. They use Bluetooth 4.0. They also boast active noise cancelling, and you should get about 24-hour playtime with this feature turned on and about 30 hours with it turned off. You can see it comes as this nifty little pouch. The headphones are inside, so we're going to open this up and I'll show you what they look like. If you want to pick these up, I'll put a link for you down in the description. As you can see, they are pretty stealthy in the black color. This is what I prefer. I don't want anything too bright that I'm wearing on my head. I don't want to stand out too much, but that's just me personally. I know some of you will probably prefer more of a unique design, but these appeal to me. Now, these would actually be the first pair of headphones that I've reviewed on my channel. I reviewed wireless earbuds, but never a pair of headphones, so I don't have a lot to compare these to. I did see someone write a review on these and they said the build quality was very bad, but I personally thought it was okay for the price. It didn't feel too cheap in the hand. They have a nice bit of weight to them and the earmuffs feel pretty good. They are quite comfortable to wear. For very extended periods of time, I think like most headphones they would become quite uncomfortable, but I wore these for about 45 minutes to an hour and I didn't have any problems with how comfortable they were. You can see there's the active noise cancelling switch there on the left, and you've got your charging port up and down for your volume and also your power button. Of course, you get a USB to micro USB charging cable. These headphones will take roughly 3 hours to charge. You get a little indicator that will go off when they're fully charged. This is your 3.5mm audio jack, so you can plug these in without using any power into your computer or any other device such as your smartphone, and you've also got an adapter for an airplane. A user manual is included that's in several languages, and I found it perfectly okay to help me set them up. I found the audio quality of these to be about average. They didn't blow me away and I definitely didn't hear any problems, but I'm not an audiophile and I'm not the type to use headphones a lot, so you have to take my opinion with a pinch of salt. But generally I found them good. They were comfortable, the connectivity seemed pretty solid. I was able to walk into another room or the other side of my house and connectivity was still solid. The headphones also have a built-in microphone, so you can use this for making a call if you're connected to your smartphone. I decided to test this out and the person on the other end said the call quality was average, there wasn't any problems and they could hear me clearly. I could hear them okay too, so that feature works okay if for any reason you did want to use that. Please note you can't use the microphone when you're using the audio cable. The headphones have a very snug fit, so you could definitely wear these when you're working out. I jumped up and down with these on and I also did a little run and they stayed perfectly fine on my head. The only time they budged was when I tried to shake them off here. You can see me doing a little head shake and they do move around, but they still actually stay on my head. I just had to reposition them slightly. I did also test out the active noise cancellation and it seemed to work really well. When it switched on, it did seem to make quite a significant difference and I could hear the music a lot more over everything else around me. I have no problems recommending these earphones. I think they are at a fairly low price, so they don't seem too bad. But as I said, please bear in mind these are the first pair of headphones that I've tested on this channel, so I don't really have a lot to compare these to. But if you do your research and you decide you like these, they seem to work really well for what they said they were going to do, and I didn't have any issues with them, so it's definitely a thumbs up from me. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and of course, I'll see you in the next one.